Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your home theater by using both your TV speakers and soundbar at the same time? First, grab your TV remote and let's dive into the settings menu, the gateway to configuring your audio output. Navigate to settings, then locate the sound settings. The wording may slightly vary depending on your TV brand you are using. Now look for options like audio output, speaker settings, or sometimes advanced audio options. The key here is to find a setting that allows you to select multiple audio outputs simultaneously. Keep in mind that cheaper, older, or smaller TVs may not have this option. You're searching for an option that specifically says something along the lines of TV speakers plus external speakers or dual audio output. Selecting this option will tell your TV to send the audio signal to both its internal speakers and the soundbar at the same time. Once you've enabled that setting, give it a try. Play some content and listen closely. You should be hearing audio from both your TV speakers and your soundbar, and now you have a fuller and a more immersive sound experience. If you can't find that option on your TV, check your TV's manual or the manufacturer's website, as it may not be a supported feature. Enjoy your new surround sound. Don't forget to like and subscribe.